Hello to all the reception children, it's Mrs Delgado here. Today we're going to do our first active story session of the week, so this is lesson 1. The story we're looking at this week is called Not Fair, Won't Share. I'll be stopping to ask some questions at certain points in the story too, so make sure you're sitting comfortably ready to listen, and I hope you enjoy it. Not Fair, Won't Share by Sue Graves. On Monday, Miss Clover had a surprise for everyone. She had made a space station. There were buttons to push. There were levers to pull. There were boots and a helmet to wear too. Okay, I've got some questions for you to answer. First, do you know what a space station is? If you're not sure, I wonder if you could find out. How about a lever? Do you know what a lever is? Do you have any toys with levers at home? Okay, let's carry on with the story. Only 3 children could play at a time, but everyone wanted a turn. Then Miss Clover had a good idea. She put everyone's name in a hat. She pulled out Posy's name first. She pulled out Ben's name second. She pulled out Alfie's name third. Miss Clover said they could play, but they had to take turns and share. Okay, I've got some more questions for you now. How do you think Posy, Ben and Alfie felt when their names were picked out of the hat? How do you think the other children felt? Okay, let's go on to the next part of the story. Posy put on the boots and helmet. She pushed all the buttons. She pulled all the levers. She wouldn't let Ben or Alfie take turns. She wouldn't let them wear the boots or the helmet. So I'm going to stop there for today, but I've got a challenge for you before we go. So you'll be able to look at our next lesson at another time this week, at lesson 2. But for the end of this lesson, what we're going to do is we're going to make a prediction. Do you remember what that word prediction means? Have you heard it before? A prediction, if you're not sure, is a sensible guess. And we're going to make a prediction about what might happen next in the story. So have a think about what's happened so far and see if you can make a sensible guess about what might happen next. You could draw a picture to show what you think might happen next, or you could tell a grown-up and they could write it down for you so that you can remember for next time. And then during our next active story session, you'll be able to see whether your prediction was correct or not. So I'll be back soon for lesson 2 of our active story. For now though, boys and girls, thank you for listening. Bye.